again!
No!
These niggas.
I just popped a 30 and smack it.
Pass me a bank, loaded up, plate. I'm trying to get married by.
All right, y'all. It's been a couple days since I pulled the camera out. The last time we went to the range, and it's fucking snowed, as you can see. I'm out here with Jesse at the moment. He's fixing up the truck. Not too much has happened in the last couple days. It's really just snowed, and we just really just dealing with like the snow and everything, the slush that's coming here. We just finna get some B-roll of Jesse in the truck. Really, I don't think I have anything planned for the next like couple days, but I think I'm trying to organize some shoots and really get back into producing with these last 30 days that we have in the month. I'll probably try to get this vlog out to you before the year ends, but shit. This is just for the moment.
Now we just gotta find one with no cars. Or little cars. I could dodge cars. I just don't want to dodge them every time I hit the gas. Yeah, there ain't no stop, like, there ain't no stopping on this. No, it's all ice, bro. I don't know what street this is, so I'm gonna slow down. We gotta find something with less ice. Why the fuck is this fucking ice back here? This is crazy. We're like 15 minutes away from the other town.
I just popped a 30 and smack it.
I got some cream. I done got my bitch on drugs and I done got my dog on lean. Don't ask me what I'm sipping. Nigga, this codeine, promethazine, not sipping green. The pill box in his love and switch type of feather.
front to back until she get paid on the track. You gon' know that Mr. Jones only shop all time. Yeah, you only 130. Fuck it, give me a hundred, be cool with my mama. They know for sure if auntie call this phone, then I'm coming. Everybody know I heard first and I do. Engineer, I'm manager.
She gon' leave with half. 18 years, and on her 18th birthday, found out it wasn't his.
South Trudeau Street.
I think it's
Then
perfect.
destinations on your left.
Hold on, we about to see. I'm finna drop ski. Hit the block, it's like I'm trying to take the trash out. I can't let my brother crash out. Bro, running chili chaser, this a bankroll. Boxing nigga, he ain't doing trifling, this a case pose. Call me Mr. Make a movie like it's bang those. Broke bitches make my stomach hurt, I swear I hate those.
Wow. They start parking shit here so we can't drift. Oh, this is ass. And they clearing lots now? Oh, that's wild.
Snap, water, wet.
Somebody's
chain,
nation
get
right
mouth,
here.
Glock, in the mouth. We sit oppositions to
that's ice.
these niggas, they snitches. There's no hit on my shit. That's in my face.
All I have to say that is fuck we ball. Fuck it we ball. Snow that's on the ground is on the fucking streets of North St. Louis in a residential area. I straight just dead had it, bro.
What's up, man? How you doing?
Filming some stuff for our YouTube channel is not even all that. We was just getting some pictures and some videos of like the night sky and downtown. Alright. Go ahead. Yeah, he was just dick riding, I ain't gonna lie. Look at the dead. Look at the bed of truck. Yeah, fuck
Yes.
it. We don't give a damn, baby.
We don't give a damn.
Got the rim.
No fucking way.
Go.